In this new method, you can earn up to $1,000. You don't have to spend even a single penny here because the application that I'm about to show you in this video is totally free. This brand new application will make you wow because they have higher payment rates compared to other applications, although you can only use your phone to try this application. This opportunity isn't well known to everyone. Only a few people know this method. So, if you're watching this video right now, you're lucky because you're one of the few people that can try this brand new method. In this video, I'm going to show you the sign-up process as well as the benefits and potential earnings you can make. Make sure you watch this video until the end because this is your chance to get paid $15 or more every 10 minutes on autopilot. So remember that if you follow all the instructions, you can just chill and relax while making money using your smartphone. You can do it as long as you want, wherever you are, and whatever else you're doing. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. But before I introduce the main highlight of this video, let's do a bit of quick math first. If we use a calculator, we'll have this. For 10 minutes, you can earn $15. And if you can work for an hour, that's basically times 6. You can earn $90 per hour. But this is working on complete autopilot. So this means that the application will run for 24 hours even if you're not doing any tasks at all. But of course, let's be realistic here. You can only work for, let's say, 6 hours on a single day. If we multiply it by 6, $90 times 6 is $550 in one day. As you can see, you're not doing any work, but you're earning money. Now, let's go deeper into the application. The name of the application is Tapmob. You can search their website through tapmob.io. And so, this is the Tapmob website. As you can see, this is a CPA network, but a brand new one. As of now, there are only users on this website because they're having a hard time waiting for the approval process. You'll be needing a code for this application to complete the sign-up process. So, why should we use Tapmob? Well, they have access to exclusive offers and brands. You can definitely find what best fits you and for your audience. Second, you can choose when you'll get paid. You can receive your earnings in 1 to 2 business days. And lastly, they don't have obligations or contracts. So basically, you'll be the one to promote your link and earn money on your terms. Tapmob.io has a lot of great features. You can use it to make thousands of dollars online. And as I've said, the offered payment on this website is unmatched when compared to the other CPA deals. But here's the main problem with this website. They are currently on an invite-only system. You can only join through the invitation code of other people. This explains why it isn't as well-liked as the CPA Grip or other similar platforms. But this one is significantly superior. The only thing you need to do is to sign up using the link I've provided, because as I've said, it's an invite only. You're welcome to use other people's links. I've already mentioned that Tapmob is downloadable. You can download it for free on Google Play and the App Store. So here's the application on Google Play, and this one's the application on the App Store. They have the same logo, so there shouldn't be any confusion about that. It has over 10,000 downloads, and the ratings are pretty good. Remember that you can't be accepted without an invitation code. So I put the invitation code on the description box, and all you have to do is put those numbers. But you can still put others' invitation codes if you know someone using this application. Don't worry guys, the signing up process is very simple. You just have to watch this video and follow all the instructions. By the way, just a quick reminder, if you like this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss out learning new methods about making money online. We upload a lot of videos on this channel, so there's a lot of money-making methods that we can show you, and you can use either your laptop, computer, or phone. Most of them are free. Also, hitting that like button really helps out. Thanks for your time. This is Daily Cashflow. Back to the video. First things first, you need to download the application. Then after that, click the Don't Have an Account Sign Up link. And then here, put your first and last name, username, email, phone number, and invite code. For the invite code, just put the numbers and then click Next. Then after that, here on this page, you need to create your new password, confirm your password, and then hit next. The next thing you need to do is to put some of your social media accounts. So when they ask you to put your social media accounts, you can just choose any of them. If you have Instagram, just put it here, and then type your followers. If you have no followers, it's fine. Next, select any of these themes right here, and then click the next button. You can also put your YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok accounts, as well as your Skype, WhatsApp, Messenger, or Telegram. After that, just hit the submit button. And so, this is how your brand new account will appear. And as you can see, this is a brand new account and still zero money. But later on, I'll show you how you'll earn money from this. You can see here your today's revenue, ranking, your team members, and your team commission. And now, click the home section. And then go to your profile and choose payment method here. Then you should click the check. Next, you should click on the plus icon where you can add your preferred payment method. You can put your Wise account, PayPal, or a bank account number and other options. The next step is to go back to the Home tab and then click the Offers button right here. As you can see, there are several CPA offers available. And this is how much you'll be paid when users download these totally free software or applications. They just have to download these apps. They don't have to sign up for any paid plans or trials. They just have to download them, and that's all. They also have email submit offers where you can earn money when other people submit their email addresses, and also zip codes and answer the given questions. Now, I want to demonstrate how to use a free traffic source to make $15 every 10 minutes. First, you should choose 3 to 4 CPA offers. Then, you should click on any of them, and then you'll see their CPA link. Then, just copy this link on your smartphone, and then we'll use it later. The next thing you should do is to make a script that you'll send on emails. But before that, search for cities that allow CPA offers from TapMob. You can search any country on Google and then just promote the links you have. For example, we'll search Craigslist Boston. Click this link right here and you'll be directed to this page. Select Create a Posting and then choose any of these locations. Select gig offers on what type of posting this is. Next, select I want to hire someone. As you can see here, it costs $7 per post. But don't worry, there's still a free method that I'll share later on. So, for example here, we'll choose Creative Gigs. This is the page where you'll need to put the posting title and then the description. In the description part, this is where you'll put your script. Then just enter the postal code. Moving on, just click Pay and put the price for compensation. You can put $7, $10 or more. And then, put your email address right here. You can also put your phone number. After that, hit Continue. Now, for the free method, you can use your own social media account like Facebook to share your link. Just search Work From Home, for example, in the United States, and then go to the groups. There are lots of groups right here where you can post your own script and link. And the other free method where you can share your links is through QuickAd.com. On this website, you can post a free ad. So, if you start doing the method I shared in this video, you'll be one of the first people who'll benefit from this. So, what are you waiting for? Try following all the steps in this video and make it possible to earn hundreds of dollars each day. And there you have it. I hope you learned something from this video. Just share your comments and thoughts down below in the comment section. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.